Hey everybody, it's Kyle here with Mainstay Property Management, doing episode 3 of our renovation project at this apartment building on Main Street. 2 one-bedrooms, renovations at the same time. So in the previous episodes, we looked at kind of the as-is before we did anything, kind of after demo. This video is kind of after the plumbing and electrical work is done, the rough drywall. So this is kind of getting ready to start rebuilding and putting things back together. Next week we got the kitchen cabinets coming in, we got flooring going down, we got tile going up. So there's a lot of activity going on here soon. So I want to get you a look before all that stuff started going in. So let's take a look. All right, so here we are in the living room. Just did some drywall work down here. This wall right here had wood paneling before, and there was a little bit of water damage here underneath this window. So all that drywall has been replaced. In the kitchen here, so we got all the drywall up and the electric and plumbing done. Excited to see what this kitchen looks like here after we get all the cabinets and countertops and appliances in. Bedroom. Not a lot done here yet, just one coat of paint in here. This one wasn't too bad. And bathroom, this one's still got a little ways to go here. So if you remember, there was a door here. That was an old door that led out to the stairwell out back. So we closed that. We did end up actually replacing this tub and moving the shower fixtures and valves and things over on this side. So that is a new tub. We still got to do the toilet and then all the tile work in here. We're gonna use the same flooring as in here. It'll be all the LVT that'll come in here and also carry into the bathroom. Then we'll have tile walls here. Kind of neat to get a little look at some of the brick, some really large bricks that were used to build this exterior wall, and you can even see it better in the other unit too. Here's where the vanity and mirror and light, everything will go. So this is unit 3. This is the larger unit. So I will I'll head up now to unit 6 and show you our progress there. All right, here we are in the next unit, unit 6. So give you a look here at the kitchen. They're working on the mud work and drywall here now, but we got all the plumbing and electric done. Finishing that up. Here's the living room. Get the baseboard in, working on the drywall. If you remember, there was a door here as well, kind of like down in the last unit. So they drywalled that up. Here's just a look around the living room. Look in the bedroom. If you remember, this bedroom was looking rough. So just with the paint and the baseboard that they've done in here, it made a huge difference. Once we get the floors in here, finish painting the doors and stuff, it's going to look amazing. So that's the bedroom, and then the bathroom. It's all ready for tile, fixtures, toilet and vanity. That's what I was talking about. We saw a little of this down in the basement bath, or the first floor bathroom we looked at in the other unit. But these old bricks, I mean, this is cool. They don't make them like that anymore. It's almost like the size of a cinder block. You know, this building was built in the 1800s originally. So this is the exterior wall. That's original. So that's pretty old. It's pretty cool to see, you know, how it was built like that. And it's in great shape. Just one, you know, kind of like one crack right down through here, but you know, nothing serious. So that's great. So yeah, we got a new tub under here. This will all get tile. Yeah, so it's gonna look really good. The kitchen is where it's gonna be the biggest difference. So the cool thing is we're a few weeks out from being finished, but we've got a good beat on being done by the end of the month, and I already have 2 people interested in these 2 units, which is kind of cool. Hopefully we get them leased without even having to get them on the market. So, all right, so that concludes episode 3, part 3 of our multi-part series. We'll probably have, I would think, 2 more, kind of one as we're getting up the cabinets and that kind of stuff, and then one finished. So keep looking for those. If you have any property management needs, we'd love to talk to you. Any projects like this, love to speak with you about them. So please reach out, visit our website, www.mainstaymanagement.com. You can check us out and contact us there. Thanks.